We used emails, tons of emails, which were spamming a lot of people in the organization, a lot of paperwork, including hard paper. This is not existing anymore. So really, a lot of time of a lot of people was saved. What we liked the most on the ALVAO was the speed of the deployment. In our case, from time we started to implement it, to go live with all the users, it took us 3 months. The huge advantage of ALVAO, what we, let's say, identified, was the automatic translations that the ALVAO is capable of. So we were using it, let's say the IT organization was working on tickets and mainly in English language. However, some, let's say, entities, for example, in Korea, in China, were sending us tickets in their own language. So we were able really to have the text to understand what is the problem within in English. So this was really well perceived. And what was one, let's say, biggest, let's say, need what was there was onboarding of the new employees and the offboarding. So we started with one global onboarding process that we addressed, and addressed it not only through IT, but also through HR, finance, and all the other functions where it was needed. So we really see it's effective. It's not only effective from, let's say, production point of view, but also from compliance point of view, that we have like full evidence of, for example, what accesses the person has,